In the midst of the recent controversy about the transition from GSAT to PEP, parents still need to make mundane decisions like, what school do I send my child to? And of course, it's of extreme importance that your child gets the best education your money can buy. So here at Elite Jamaica, I have prepared a list of the 10 best preparatory schools in Kingston for you to consider before you make that choice. Welcome back to Elite Jamaica, the place you come to learn about Jamaica and Jamaicans. If it's your first time joining me here, consider subscribing to the channel by clicking that red subscribe button. And remember to turn on notifications by clicking that bell icon so you never miss any of my updates. Number 10. Oakfield Prep School. Oakfield Prep School is now in its 59th year, so next year will be its Diamond Jubilee. The school has a favorable teacher-student ratio and consistently does extremely well in GSAT exams. In addressing the matter of student demographics, the principal had this to say: "We have a wide cross-section of students here, and we encourage this diversity. Regrettably though, they seem to have chosen not to have an online presence. However, their information will be below so you can contact them if you choose to. Also, all the other schools in this list, their information will be on the screen below." Number 9. Creative Kids Learning Academy. Creative Kids Learning Academy has been in existence for 10 years and has already made its mark on the primary education landscape. It claims to uniquely combine the ABICA curriculum with that of the Ministry of Education, which is then enhanced by specialist areas such as Bible, computer, physical education, music, art, and Spanish. They have had 4 sittings of GSAT with 100% passes for each. Number 8. Porter's Center for Knowledge. Porter's Center for Knowledge makes this claim on its Facebook page. The center desires to see each child reach his or her full potential spiritually, emotionally, physically, and academically. We operate as an extension of the home. Reviewers use superlative like best and excellent when talking about this school. Number 7. Immaculate Conception Prep School. Immaculate Prep, being a Catholic school, is based in strong Christian values, but of course is open to students of all denominations. It is an all-girls school, with students from 4 to 12 years old. The school initially started in 1859, but has had some interruptions over the years. Today, it has a rich history of academic and sporting excellence. Number 6. Mona Prep School. Mona Prep was founded in 1964 under the auspices of the United Church in Jamaica and Grand Cayman. Its mission is to provide a Christian environment in which students can learn and develop into well-rounded individuals who see service as an important part of their contribution to society. Mona Prep is a name to reckon with in the fields of sports, cultural events, and academics. Number 5. Stella Maris Prep. Stella Maris Prep is a Roman Catholic educational institution. It claims to deliver quality education at the early childhood and primary levels. The school has a track record of excellent performance in GSAT and extracurricular activities, such as drama, swimming, dancing, chess, and football for the holistic development of its students. Number 4. St. Andrew Prep School. St. Andrew Prep is one of Jamaica's leading prep schools and has been in existence for only 87 years now. It gets mostly positive reviews. One comment reads, "A very structured and organized school programs." St. Andrew Prep is a frequent top performer in GSAT, earning government scholarships, a civil servant scholarship, and a Sagicor scholarship. Number 3. St. Hugh's Prep. St. Hugh's Prep was founded in 1899 as the Deaconess Home School. It is a co-ed school operated by the Anglican Diocese of Jamaica and the Cayman Islands. Emphasis, they claim, is placed on balancing academics, arts, sports, and other character-building activities. The school accommodates students with special needs, as St. Hugh's actively pursued and has secured their integration into mainstream classes. As a sign of commitment to special needs education, St. Hugh's Prep campus is completely wheelchair accessible. Number 2. Hillel Academy. This school has a population of over 400 students from kindergarten through to grade 6. Hillel boasts a multicultural student population in an atmosphere where students feel safe and cared for. Each grade section has both a qualified teacher and a teaching assistant. According to the website, they have international accreditation. Hillel Prep offers a wide variety of extracurricular activities in both sporting and non-sporting areas, all supervised by teachers or parents with expertise in their fields. Number 1. Queen's Preparatory School. Queen's Prep celebrates 64 years this year and is operated under the auspices of the Anglican Church in Jamaica. Their aim is to provide liberal and thorough education. According to one of the many positive reviewers, it is one of the best prep schools on the island. The school has a kindergarten and a junior department. The latter accepts students up to 13 years. In addition, there is a special remedial unit which caters for students with special educational needs. Thank you for joining me again, guys. I really do hope you found this video informative. If so, please do remember to subscribe to Elite Jamaica by clicking that red subscribe button. And you can turn on notifications by clicking that blue bell icon so you never miss any of my updates. Until then, I am Alex. Bless. More sleep. Now I got my bed. Bless up, peeps. Big up.